I'm Sweta. I'm a fresher at Wollongong University, Dubai, and today I attended the KFI Global's money management course, and I found it really helpful, especially the practical tips that you had told us on what we actually should do. It made it a lot easier. As a student, it's very stressful to worry about money and managing everything, especially without a job. And secondly, I found the section on women, like how women manage money and how that's different, how there is a lot of gender and stigma around that. That was very helpful to like have you talk about it. It was like very validating actually. So yeah, I really enjoyed the program, and I thank DIB for sponsoring this event and for making it possible for me to attend it.
Hello, my name is Aina Samadi and I'm a new student in Wollongong University in Dubai. And today I attend in KFI Global program, and it was really useful and helpful for me. So I recommend it to all students here.
Hi, my name is Chaitanya. I'm a new student in UOWD. I attended KFI Global program in UOWD today, and honestly it was very useful. I didn't know what PYFP was, and I found it very useful because I have seen my parents do the 50-30-20 principle and it doesn't help them. So yeah, so I love the PYFP principle and a lot of more principles that you said. It was like very useful, and the debt also made me want to reconsider a lot of things I was going to do in my life. So I thank DIB for sponsoring this. Thank you.
My name's Mohammad Muzammil. I attended the KFI program at the UOW campus today under the guidance and the founder of KFI, Miss Marilyn. She was very good. She helped me and explained all the concepts very well, especially the emergency fund, because I think it's very important, because adults nowadays and the generations before were not really focused on saving and more on just spending. But as time passes through, I think it's very important to have savings as the economic downfall is about to happen. And so thank you, Miss Marilyn.